So tonight I'd like to begin by sharing a story that a friend sent to me, true story, about an elephant whisperer. And his name's Lawrence Anthony, and some of you may have heard of him because he's a renowned conservationist who died in March. And his fame comes primarily because in South Africa there have been these herds of wild rogue elephants that have been so violent that it's become, over time, the habit to kill them. And he found a way through his presence and sensitivity and capacity to communicate to actually calm down and rehabilitate, so to speak, these elephants. And what was so powerful is that after he died, I think, it was March 7th, there was this solemn procession of these herds of elephants, 2 of them, to his compound over the next 2 days. And it's said that elephants do mourn their own dead. Somehow, they attuned to the fact that this friend of theirs had died and solemnly just crossed, miles and miles, and then for 2 days kind of stood vigil in front of his compound.